Good morning, it's Tuesday the 30th, and it is snowing. Oh, it's been snowing all night, and we've got quite a few inches. We'll have a full day of doing web work and design. So we'll see how that goes. Supposed to have a client meeting today, so don't know what time. Anyways, good morning, Arvada. It sounds things like my car battery. Car key thing. Its batteries are going out. So most of the morning's been working on trying to get my client sites updated and some troubleshooting some issues that they're having with user registration, lost passwords, and like one of the wholesale sites, like I can see the prices of the items, but it's showing like 0 for some people on their cell phones. So I'm not sure. I can't replicate it for some reason. So I don't know. So evening recap. Pretty much spent the day working in the downstairs office on client sites and hanging out with Allison and Brandon while they constructed their new office desk. The snow was pretty much gone by afternoon, and I didn't go anywhere. I wound up just working non-stop. Brandon made some spaghetti and garlic bread for dinner for us. That was nice. And then me and Allison watched Discovery of Witches episode by episode, and I don't know, around 10:30 I needed to do web work while watching it because I'm behind in my client work. So we did that, and then she went to bed around 1:30. I was up for another hour and a half working on websites, and that was the evening. Good night, Arvada.